Okay, Assalamualaikum. Selamat malam. Good evening everyone who's on the SG webinar. Tonight, kita ada seorang lagi trainer, Alhamdulillah, yang akan bercerita tentang Canva Design Essential. Let's welcome Miss Zayana. How are you doing, Zana? Are you good?
Hi, thank you, Puan Anita. Yeah, I'm doing good.
Alhamdulillah. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So hari ni sesi kita hari ni sebenarnya adalah untuk memberi background lah sikit kan out of webinar yang kita akan anjurkan nanti iaitu pada 22 hari bulan November which is about next week. So kita nak tengok lah kan, dah ramai orang yang bercakap tentang penggunaan Canva ni kan, especially di dalam academic world lah. Bermaksud kadang-kadang kita nak kena buat banner, kita nak kena buat presentation, slide semua kan. So let's invite Ms. Zana now to share your slide and then talk us through apa yang diperlukan untuk belajar menggunakan Canva ni. Okay, over to you, Zana. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Puan Anita, for the opportunity. So, hello everyone. So, how are you today, semua? Okay, alright. So, today I'm going to share about Canva. So, what the essential that you need to know about Canva. So, I will present today dalam masa 15 minit ni. Okay. So, let me start. So, my name is Zaina Yazid. And this is my brief overview about me. So I'm actually a fashion designer and also I'm a designer that use technology in my work. Yeah. So I bukan saja creating fashion, but then I create visual image and also I create design and also I play a lot with the visual presentation. So that's why right now I'm becoming a trainer in visual design and also for the Canva design that I helped a lot of people, especially entrepreneur and academician, to create good visual impact for their presentation and also for their work, and post on social media. So I'm a certified trainer. I'm a TTT trainer for HRD Corp and I'm a TVET coach. So my academy, I have an academy in Damansara Perdana. So my academy basically runs a fashion technology training for fashion designer, entrepreneur, and also for people that wants to learn artificial intelligence, AR, 3D for animation. So they can come to us and see what we can help you. And so tonight I will share to you about how I use Canva to elevate my design for visual design, and so do you will know and you will learn from me as a trainer. So I will help you on the visual presentation. Okay, so for tonight I will introduce these 5 topic. So first is introduction of Canva. Number 2, what Canva can helps you. And number 3, what makes good visual presentation, that the most important. That and the next is Canva elements. And 5th, how I use Canva to elevate my visual marketing strategy. Yes, so these 5 topics I will cover and I will share to you tonight. And I hope that all of you will pay attention and please give feedback if you have any question after this. Okay. So what is Canva? So a lot of people talk about Canva. So Canva, we see that dia macam satu application and software yang kita gunakan untuk buat visual presentation, but a lot of people talking about it. Macam adakah Canva ni untuk yang professional je, atau adakah Canva ni untuk semua, atau Canva ni untuk newbies? No, so Canva for all. Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including social media graphics, presentations, poster, document, other visual materials. So basically, Canva used to arouse people visually. So it provide a user-friendly interface. Okay, tak semestinya you perlu menjadi graphic designer or a designer that use banyak lagi software-software yang besar-besar dan yang susah dan mahal. So actually Canva is a user-friendly interface with a drag and drop design tool, making it accessible to individual with varying levels of design expertise. Yes, macam saya cakap tadi, you tak perlu jadi graphic designer atau you tak perlu ambil sijil-sijil belajar design, tapi you kena tahu apakah elemen yang ada dalam Canva that can helps you. That's what I'm here to bring you together. Okay. So, what Canva can helps you? Social media graphics, okay, presentation, poster and flyers, marketing materials, documents, infographic, educational material, branding material, invitation and cards, and web graphic. So, semua 10 perkara ni you can achieve by using Canva. Just like what I did. Just like my team did. Okay. So, using Canva, actually, you can make interesting presentation, interesting poster and flyers, and also all sort of marketing materials you can design on Canva. But first, you need to know how to integrate the design elements and the principle of design before you're designing something, so that you punya design akan get more directed and people akan faham apa yang you cuba sampaikan dalam poster tu. Alright. So, let me preview it. Make what makes good design, the elements and the principle. Okay, so untuk mereka yang dah pernah berada dalam bidang grafik, bidang visual kan, so mereka mesti akan tahu dan faham dan akan apa, dia dah ada dah element of principle. Maknanya benda tu memang dah ada dah dekat dalam kepala seseorang designer. Tetapi jika anda bukan graphic designer, anda bukan designer, so jangan risau, kerana elemen and principle ni kita boleh belajar, dan I akan tunjuk cara macam mana nak aplikasikan elemen dan principle supaya you punya design tu nampak cantik, nampak very presentable and dapat attract you punya viewers. Okay. So, the meanings, the principle of design, okay, I show you in my poster. So, my poster targeted for the teenagers. So, I make workshop. I ada buat bengkel kecil selama 1 hari untuk repair baju. Pukul 10 pagi sampai 5 petang. Berlokasi di mana? Di butik I. Okay, di Academy I. So, dekat sini kenapa I guna cartoons? Because I want to attract teenagers. I want to attract school kids, school teenagers, so that they can come to my academy and learn clothing repairing. That's what the meanings of the poster design should be. Okay, so it must have balance, the unity, the contrast, the emphasis, the repetition, the pattern, as you can see there, the rhythm, and that's what 7 elements of design that you need to know. So in my workshop later next week, I will show you what are the meaning of each of this. Yeah. So we have 7 principle of design. Yes. Okay. So and I will show you how Canva can help you. Okay, to integrate these elements. Okay, this I will show you. This is the layout, the first layout of the Canva. The elements and the basic function are there. So you will see ada banyak, ada kat tepi ni ada home, ada magic studio, there are project, templates, brand apps. What are there? Apakah semua ni? So sebenarnya semua ni akan membantu kita. So itu akan membantu you all untuk mendapatkan satu design reka bentuk yang menarik. Macam mana nak guna nanti, I will show you after this. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, we have document, whiteboard, presentation, social media, video, print products and website and more. Actually dekat atas tu there's a tab. Tab tu dia ada tunjukkan apakah yang kita boleh buat dengan Canva tu. So dia tanya kat situ dah kan, what will you design today? Okay, Canva is actually part of artificial intelligence. Okay, kecerdasan buatan, artificial intelligence. So with Canva, actually you can create many visual presentation. Okay, here are the things that on the template. Okay, business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products. Okay, dekat sini kita dalam Canva ya, actually ada template-template okay yang telah dicipta oleh Canva designer untuk digunakan oleh semua dan untuk bersesuaian. Okay, dia dicipta bersesuaian dengan kehendak dan keperluan ya. Okay, so dekat sini kita ada featured collection, ada popular topics, ada banyak lagi yang akan tunjukkan nanti. Okay, so I nak tunjuk dekat you juga. What Canva can do for you. Yeah. Ini adalah apa yang di dalam Canva yang I tunjuk ni malam ni ada 8 je. Tapi sebenarnya ada banyak lagi. Okay? Alright. So first, they can do design template just like I show you before. And the elements. Yes, the elements ni maksudnya adalah contoh you all pernah pakai pen, okay? Dan pernah pakai words, okay? Ada dekat situ ada letak stiker, gambar. So that are the elements. The concept the same. The same concept they use in Canva. Okay, so next is Magic Studio. What is Magic Studio? Actually, the integration of apps into one category, into one streets. So the integration of artificial intelligent apps. That's the most interesting in Canva right now. And also, you can also make your logo transparency, your picture transparency. Remove the background, the ugly background, the bad background. Okay, and also if you have product such as okay, this business card product. Okay, so you want to make it more interesting. You don't have time to go to the beach or you don't have time to go to the cafe. So you boleh letak dekat satu surface and then you snap the photo and then you can buang dia punya background by using the transparency and also remove background and transparency, and then you can create new background for your product. Yeah, that's the interesting about Canva. Okay, so text. Ada banyak template tulisan yang cantik. So kat sini I ada feeling cute. and also just like I said before, you can upload your photo. So that's me. And also make visually good certificate for your student. Okay, so macam I gunakan Canva untuk buat certificate for my student. Before I know Canva, few years back, maybe on the Ice Age, so I use Word. So the design is limited, and also I need to crack my head. And later then, I learned Adobe Illustrator and then I use Adobe Illustrator, but I need to crack my head again. And now there's Canva that can help me as an educator and also you to create good certificate, good visual certificate for your student. And also the animation, as you can see there, the bird flies. Okay, so the animation in Canva ada dekat dalam elements. So dekat dalam elements tu, and kita boleh pilih animation, kita boleh pilih gambar yang still picture boleh, gambar yang bergerak pun boleh, gambar yang macam vectors pun boleh ada dekat situ. Okay, the effect of good design. So kenapa you all kena belajar good design ni? So the visual effect, the attractiveness, the clarity, berbeza, the differentiation, beza you punya brand daripada another brand, just like what I did. Okay, and then the experiential effects, the usability, the emotional connection, and also the brand perception. Okay, I want to show you. This is how I use Canva for my poster. So the first is what I did on 26th of May in Makerspace Meranti. So I do introduction of fashion design technology, me with my trainers, and also I do basic workshop during National Training Week, basic ladies wear, casual and contemporary sewing course, and also I did November workshop. It will the repeated workshop. So kebaya modern kain pario. So these are the poster that I did last month and on May. So I promote it on my social media. I promote it on my to my followers, and people understand what I do, and people come contact me and my trainer, so they come to my academy to learn. Yeah, the business is working by using this Canva. by using this Canva to create poster, and the business is working. So I macam live testimoni gunakan Canva. So I nak juga you all, anda semua untuk belajar Canva dan gunakan Canva effectively. Macam mana kita nak create the interesting visual poster. Okay, so let's join our workshop. Please contact Puan Anita, the admin of Doctorate Support Group. So workshop kita akan dijalankan pada 22 November, Rabu depan, jam 9 pagi sehingga 12 tengah hari. So apa yang kita akan belajar, ya bukan preview saja macam ni. So apa yang kita belajar adalah hands on. Saya akan tunjukkan macam mana you all nak guna 7 prinsip design supaya poster anda semua cantik, supaya poster anda semua visually attractive, and also boleh digunakan dekat dalam social media you all. Bukan saja you tahu nak guna drag and drop, tapi you gunakan poster tu dalam social media and the business are working. Okay, here my number and also Puan Anita numbers. Okay. Yeah, this is my Facebook. My Facebook Zana, LinkedIn Zana Yazid, my name, and my Instagram Zana Yazid official. So basically on Facebook, I selalu cerita tentang fashion technology and fashion design. Yeah, always remember,
Thank
design is the silent
you.
ambassador of your content. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Zana. Wow, just listening to you kan, I feel like I want to learn it tonight. You have this
Thank
very
you.
apa ya, infectious punya tone. Thank you so much for doing this. Lagi satu ya, maybe if I want to suggest, most
Yes.
postgraduates yang ada di DSG ni lah kan mostlynya, they might want to use Canva untuk contohnya macam presenting the visual, you know, the
Mm,
way dia PhD ke apa kan, visually
mm,
kan. So maybe that could be something that you want to share. Maksudnya macam
yes.
mana nak present our research secara visual, right? So that's number one. And then also some of the members in DSG
Okay.
juga, they also adalah trainers, and I do know that trainers normally need to showcase their work kan. So I think very good job that you did just now dengan banner apa nama tu, banner of
Betul.
your slide. That one maybe you want to show them, and I think a lot of people are gonna apa tu dapat benefit from this workshop ya, because kalau dulu kita kena belajar from scratch kan, nak belajar Adobe semua tu, it is so akan ambil masa
Yes.
yang banyak. Tapi dengan Canva actually you can do a lot more, right? And I do know that you will have all
Mm-mm.
this information by next week ya. Okay, so untuk yang berminat,
Yes,
kita dah
yes.
letak link di apa tu, di dalam comment section tu, and of course later when the video
Mm-mm.
is in here, di dalam DSG kita akan masih terus letak lah ya. So come and join us next week. Kita akan belajar macam mana nak buat, and I bet you know your supervisors will be very happy untuk lihat thesis dalam bentuk visual ya. There are already people talking about presenting thesis visually, which I think is a really good idea. Okay, so thank you so much, Zana, for tonight. Hope we all can meet you again next week, yeah, via Zoom. Once
Yes,
kita
thank you.
yeah, no problem. And this
Boleh,
video
boleh.
will remain in the SG, tapi kita akan share jugalah di beberapa group yang lain. Yeah. So thank you everyone. Have a nice evening. Let's meet next week and learn from Mizana on how to, you know, prepare, use Canva for your academic work. Thank you everyone. Have a nice break ahead. Yeah. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Thank you. Thank you, Puan Anita. Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Bye.